So I have Love Yourself answer here. I thought I would do an unboxing and we can see which photo cards I get, how it looks like. I got version S. I got my other two versions here, just so we could compare and just look like there's nothing more satisfying than having like all three of the Love Yourself series. So yeah, I have Love Yourself Her and I have Love Yourself Tear. For Her, I have the V version, and then for Tear, I have the U version, which is actually not my favorite version. So I really made it a point to look at which one I was getting. They just look really sad in this one. Like, I don't want to be sad when I'm looking at this. Yeah, but it's not bad. I still like it. But there was other ones in the, what is this one? In the Your versions that I liked better than the U one. It's a little bit like gloomy and sad, and I just didn't want that for this one. So I made it a point to get one that I like, because they keep getting more and more expensive as each one releases, and like, what? I don't know why. Like, this is almost $30, which is absolutely crazy. So yeah, I have scissors here and we can like crack on into it. I'm so excited. So I know how this one looks like because I checked to make sure that it was one that I liked. So this is the one where like there's cameras and the hands touching them and the eyes are looking at them. I thought that was like really cool. So I just came back from a job interview and I was like, Target is like literally 2 minutes away from this place where I interviewed. Let me treat myself and get one. This wrapping paper. I did see that there was some drama with the photo cards being stolen. I really hope people aren't doing that. There was actually 2 left, including mine. So this one that I got and then one other. So I don't know, locals went out to get it. Local fellow armies that live around me went to get a copy too. Yay, yay, yay. Yeah, but please don't steal. I think stealing is wrong. I don't care what you're stealing. Like, stealing is wrong. Like, I don't know how people do it. Like, I don't care. Like, it was just a piece of paper. Like, it's wrong. Like, it's wrong. So, yeah, this is hollow. It kind of looks a little bit like Her, if you want to just look. But this is just, like, straight up white. This has hollow, okay? But yeah, like, if there's no light hitting it, it does look like Her a little bit, but not really. So yeah, it has like that same photo cover. I honestly don't know if I really needed this album, because most of the songs that are in this album are in Tear. So like I said, did I really needed this? No, but, and we have the poster. Oh, okay, so yeah, this is the one that I wanted. So I already know how all of this looks. My neighbors are being so annoying, but whatever. This is how the poster looks like. Thank you! This is how the poster looks like. I made sure that this is the one that I wanted, and I really like this version. I was gonna get the one where they're like that, like where half of it is like idol and half of them is like just normal, but I wanted this one just because it's cool and Namjoon looks hot. They all look good. They all look good. So yeah, this is my poster. Okay. So I have all my posters here. I don't actually ever hang out my posters. And then the actual book itself. Let's look through it. Oh my god, the album comes inside like this. Okay. So usually it comes like this. I'll show you guys. Like this and these. But this one, it's like when you open it, hello. Okay, let's look. Oh, okay, so it says A. It has a heart. This heart is so pretty. I really like this heart. Oh my god. Hello, this heart is so pretty. This is like the prettiest thing ever. Oh my god, this heart is so pretty. So yeah, this is a heart you get. So yeah, they changed it up and it just goes back inside like this. The things I do for BTS, because I really don't even listen to music like in CDs. So let's open it, or should I just get photo card? Ah! Oh my god! Oh my god! I got V! I got V! V. I just called him V. I got Tay. Yay! I have each of every one so far. I really wanted Namjoon, but I love Tay. I love him. He's so cute. I love him. Oh my god, I got Tay. Okay, let's see what else. Oh, I get stickers! I got stickers. Oh my god, what is this? What? You get 2? This is, oh, I see. So A, B. You get 2 albums. You get 2 albums. Now I see why it's so expensive. In the back, you get B. And in the front, you get A. I get it now. So yeah, you get their information like you always do. Big hit star on the way. Stickers. Oh, I love it. Ah! Oh my god, can you imagine if I put this like on my phone case or something? Oh my god. Oh my god, this is honestly worth it. I'm like, is this worth paying $26? Like, it's so much. And I already have like the other songs in the Tier album, but like, it's totally worth it. Like, you can tell they put a lot of thought in these. And then you get the book with the notes on it. I already read it because people translated them, and I can't read this, so you know how that goes. And then you get this Love Yourself Answer album survey. But yeah, let's go look inside. Oh my god. So yeah, I have the album A, and then I have album B. So yeah, you get Euphoria, Just Dance, Serendipity, DNA, Trivia Love, Her, Singularity, Fake Love, Seesaw, Tear. Yeah, you get all of those. And then in B, you get Magic Shot, Best of Me, Airplane, Eponym. Hopefully I'm saying that right. Mic Drop, DNA, Fake Love, Rocking Vibe. This is the picture. They look so good. Wow. Honestly, when I saw these pictures, I was really confused. It made me like think a little. Like, it's intense a little bit, but like I'm living for it. So I love the fashion. I love it all. I'm living. The TVs. Oh my god, they look good. Honestly, I was like, they can wear anything and look good. What? Honestly, I was just like, wow, this is like, this is fashion. This is fashion. I love it. Ooh, little meow meow. JK and Tay. JK looks good. I like how this paper feels. It feels like a real book. I love the aesthetics, like the color contrast. Oh, here we get the pictures that I was talking about. Like, I really liked this when I saw this. Wow. It's kind of sad, honestly. Like, all the people just touching them and violating their privacy. Man, Namjoon looks good. Yeah, it's kind of sad. And then the cameras. Oh, makes me want to think, like, do I really want to be famous? Got Tay. Tay's so pretty. I love him. Ah! I love him. Honestly, I know Tay does not like when people are up in his face. Like, can you guys respect them? Little meow meow. We got Hobie, all eyes watching him. Jen. I really like this. This is really just aesthetically pleasing. This paper feels like actual paper. Like, the other ones felt like paper like you can kind of rip. This doesn't feel like paper you can rip easily either. Again, with like the cameras, he looks really good. JK. Honestly, JK really made that. And then the song soundtracks. And then yeah, you get the lyrics. I like DNA. It's a cute song. Dimple. Yeah, just the lyrics. The thanks to, as you guys can see here. Yeah, so that is Love Yourself Answer. There's so many versions, but yeah. I got Tay in this one, and yeah, it's really pretty. I like the whole graphic. Like, I really thought you really can't tell, but like when the sun hits it, you can definitely see the hollow. And I like my photo card. Honestly, I would have been happy with any one of them. And then yeah, I really like it. Like I really did not expect that. Like how can I be so clueless? I follow all these updates and I really don't even know what you get inside. So yeah, you get B and you get A. So you get 2 CDs. And then you get stickers. They always add something fun to their photo books, which I really like. You're not getting like the same thing or like you're expecting to get the same thing. You're always getting something different. With Tier, you got like those little stand-up cards. So like I don't even know. Like I was like, oh, we're probably gonna get the same thing when I got Tier, but we totally got something different. So yeah, I really like this album. Like with the new songs, my favorite is Just Dance, Seesaw, Love. I love all of them, honestly. I can't pick. Euphoria, I like that song too. I 10 out of 10 recommend. Oh my god, Baby T. This is Love Yourself, Answer at its glory. I would say it's definitely like worth it. Like if you collect these albums like I do, then I would say to get it for sure. Like if you're already deeply invested like I am. So yeah, this is how they look like now that they're all in order. Yeah, I don't have each one of the versions, so mine says VUS. Honestly, that's like way out of my budget. I don't even know if even if I had that much money, I probably wouldn't get all versions of them, but just look at it like this. This is like my first ever BTS collection, and I'm really happy and satisfied, and I love it. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing, and yeah, I will definitely do more, you know, if BTS come out with anything new or eye-catching, which they always do, and I will probably always buy because I love them. I will review them on my channel. Talk to you guys on my next. Bye!